welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to reveal my December 2022 earnings on Medium. So let's start. In November I posted 35 videos, published 35 videos, and I made $32.10. So let's move over to December, my friends. In December there are 31 days. I think in December there are 31 days, and in November there were 30 days. So as you can see, my friends, it says that I have published 43 videos in December, 43 videos, and I got like 424 views. And the reason why I got lesser views, in November I got 110,000 and in December I got less views, because 9gag stopped accepting YouTube links posts. So this was a major setback for me in terms of views, and the watch time also dropped significantly. So guys, I made a total of $29.10. This means that I have failed to achieve my objective of getting to $32 in December, because now I will not receive my AdSense $100 check. It's simple as that. I needed $32 to get my AdSense check, and now I will not receive it. Also, my friends, this $29.10 there might be further reduction before the AdSense team reviews it and further reduces the money. This also happens during the 15th of the month. So this is very bad news, my friends, for me. And I have failed at YouTube, my friends. Literally, I have failed at YouTube, I will tell you. But this month I'm working really hard, my friends. I'm going to turn this around somehow before the YouTube Shorts monetization in February 2023 this year. So if you see, the search results are not that great. Almost 2600 views. External traffic, the most important factor, because I don't get suggested or browse feature views that much. If you notice, 9gag gave me 18,000 plus views. This means that this was before they accepted the YouTube links, and they stopped accepting the YouTube links. So this happened. Reddit gave me almost 7,500 views. So Reddit is my ultimate source of getting views. Google search 1,700 views. Twitter is giving me good traffic, very good AVD, average view duration. Medium 121 views, very good traffic. Facebook is useless, I don't use it that much, but still it gave me. Pinterest, very bad traffic, and some other websites, my friends. So noise.app is very important for me, my friends. Noise.app, I don't see it. App.noise, yes, this is 6 views. So this is nothing. Noise.app 8 views. So this is nothing, my friends. So this was my earning report, full earning report for December 2022 for YouTube, my friends. I hope you learned something, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.